What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different compared to like any of the other videos on my channel. Most of the other videos are like either working on cars or going to like car meets or something like that and just messing around. But today's video I want to give you guys like a shop update or like a shop tour, because I have not uploaded in a very long time, and this is going to kick off basically me starting to upload a little bit more again. But I wanted to give you guys like an update on like what's been going on and why I haven't really put out a lot of videos, which I'm sure there's got to be like a few of you out there wondering why. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. So first things first, I don't know if you guys remember, but I used to have like a wall all along right here. We basically went ahead and took the shelves that were splitting these bays apart and just put them along the wall there, just so it could be a little bit more organized. This place can look a little bit more open, even though it kind of looks like a mess right now. I'm sure you guys are wondering about the cars that I have in the background. There's one right here that you guys definitely have not seen, which I will show you guys later on. But before I get to the cars, obviously I got to get to my toolboxes. I just picked up this new Snap-on toolbox. It's in supersonic blue. Honestly, the Snap-on guy Scott knows how to sell me, and I'm not that easy to sell. Yeah, shout out to him for actually giving me a good deal on this box. I used to have like that US General, the Nardo gray looking box. I went ahead and traded that in and got this instead. This is basically the roll around box, like with all the cheap tools and stuff in there. It's easy to like just move it around, and I have everything I need in here. And if I ever need anything else, it's obviously in my other Snap-on toolbox, which I don't know if most of you guys seen or not, but yeah, this is my other box. We got a bunch of like Mac tools, Snap-on tools. This is my favorite drawer right here. Bunch of Snap-on stuff. All green, obviously. Some of these drawers are actually empty, so I need to start filling them up. But this is like my power tools drawer. But yeah, now on to the cars and what I've been working on. So we'll start off with the E30 build. E30 build is coming along. It's coming along slowly, but it's coming along. The last thing I did was that like red undercoating, and the next thing I need to do for that car is either put the engine together or sand down the car and get it painted. That way the entire car is all painted and ready to go. So that's what's next for that build. I'm sure you guys are wondering what this is. It's either a 2001 or 2000 BMW M5. This is a friend of mine's car, and I'm doing I wouldn't say few things to it. I'm doing a lot of things to this car. I already did a few things, like wired in the angel eyes, and it's got new fog lights, new grille. I also went ahead and threw that rear diffuser on there. I don't know how well you guys can see that. It's kind of dark on this side of the shop. But yeah, he's got like upgraded tail lights. He got some mufflers installed. I don't really know what brand they are. The car is wrapped. The original color is, I believe, like Silverstone. I don't know what they call it, but it's like that silver bluish color. And I also did like that metal interior trim in this car, because the old wood just, I don't know, it just doesn't look right in this car, so he wanted it switched out. But there's a lot more coming for this build, so let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see the build videos on this, because I'm gonna do a few videos on it. This thing is gonna get a lot of goodies, from suspension to brakes, rod bearings, timing guides, and a supercharger kit. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. All of those videos will be coming in the next few weeks. Moving on to the next car. If you guys have been keeping up with the channel for a long time, you guys definitely know what this is. This build kind of I don't want to say set this channel like off, but it got a lot of views. Like this car build got a lot of views. Sorry it's dirty as shit right now. Even in this dirty state, this damn thing just looks too good. For those who don't know what this is a 2006 BMW E46 M3 competition in Imola red. This is the original color, and it's a 6-speed manual. This is my friend Audman's car. We got it like 3 years ago now, I want to say, and we started the build on it. We basically went through everything on this car, from engine to suspension to literally everything. The bottom of the car is like undercoated as well. It just doesn't seem like that because it's in dirty condition right now, but everything is done to this car. But yeah, other than that, it's a beautiful car, and I will never get tired of looking at it, especially because of all the damn work we put into this damn thing. Moving on to, I think, everyone's favorite build, which is the Toyota Supra build. It doesn't even look like a Supra right now because we got like Camry wheels and shit on there, but I'm not gonna show you guys too much of this build because we already got some things done, and those videos will be out within this like next week probably. But yeah, we got a lot done to the Supra and it is moving along. It's on the frame machine and it is going, so you guys will be seeing videos on that soon. Basically there's a lot of videos to come. Then we got a few other cars out here. We got an E60 M5, that's a customer's car that I'm working on. Won't really go into detail with that. I got a green E36 M3 right here, which I picked up myself, not to keep or anything like that, but I'm just gonna clean it up and sell it for a little bit of a profit. The car itself is not in horrible shape. I need to put the door panels back on, but it is a real M3. It's in Boston green. The only shitty thing is that it needs a paint job. Like, it's in dire need of a paint job, but I really do not want to do all that work. I'm just gonna put it for sale like this, and whatever profit I make, I'll be happy with. And last but not least, this gem right here. So me and my friend Robert just recently picked up this Laguna Seca Blue E46 M3 for a pretty damn good price. If you guys know anything about this color E46 M3 and the prices that they're going for, it is insane. They're going for like 30, 35, $40,000. We picked this up for a pretty good deal. I don't really want to go into detail on like pricing or anything like that, but just know it was a really good deal. It is a original Laguna Seca Blue car. So original 6-speed car. Basically the only mod that was done to this car is just like halos, which are inside the headlights right there. Other than that, this car has zero mods, not even suspension or anything like that. Rod bearings were done. Subframe is checked. There's zero cracks on the subframe, so that's a good thing to know because these cars are notorious for rod bearings, subframe, and even the Vanos, and the Vanos is good too. It's really hard to see because of this damn lighting, because the lighting sucks, but this car is just so freaking beautiful. But yeah, it's basically a freaking M warehouse here. We have so many M cars. We have the M5, we have two E46 M3s. All three of these cars are literally from the same like generation. We got the E60 M5, we got the E36 M3, another E46 M3, George's E36 M3, and then I also have that purple E36 M3 that I've had for a little while now, if you guys remember. So there's literally so many freaking M cars here. It's becoming a damn M warehouse here. Yeah, that's the shop update. I just wanted to put a video out for you guys. The reason I haven't been uploading too much is because I've been getting like a lot of like big jobs here and there lately, and it doesn't really give me the time to like work on my personal car like the E30, which makes it hard obviously to put out content. But I'm finally getting back into things. So without further ado, if you guys want to help out this channel, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video format. I don't know, it's a little bit different, all just me talking, which I don't really enjoy doing. I'd rather be working on a car. But yeah, without further ado, make sure you guys stay tuned for the E39 M5 build, the Super build, and the E30 build, which are all coming soon. Stay tuned for all those videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.